The Indian stock market witnessed a mixed bag of emotions today. Key indices showed slight dips, reflecting the cautious sentiment prevailing among investors. The Sensex closed at 77,885.41, down by 0.22%. The Nifty settled at 23,576.30, reflecting a marginal decline of 0.11%. The Indian rupee showed slight weakness against the US dollar, settling at 87.43. Gold saw a marginal uptick, reaching 84,600, marking a 0.18% increase. The Reserve Bank of India's recent decision to cut interest rates by 25 basis points has sent ripples through the market. Mahindra & Mahindra reported a 19% year-on-year surge in standalone profit, reaching 2,964 crore rupees. This growth was driven by robust sales and improved operational efficiency. The company's revenue also witnessed a healthy increase of 20%. SEBI took action against a stock market influencer on YouTube, She-Wolf, for peddling investment tips without proper authorization. This action underscores SEBI's commitment to curb market manipulation and protect investors. Retail investors are increasingly allocating their funds towards bonds, suggesting a growing risk aversion. This shift could have implications for both equity and debt markets. Foreign institutional investors are exhibiting a preference for US markets over emerging markets. The outflow of FII funds from emerging markets like India can impact stock valuations and currency movements. Market experts have expressed a range of views on the recent developments and their potential impact on the Indian stock market. Ashwini Kumar Tewari stated that the RBI's rate cut was largely anticipated and should boost economic growth. Manish Sonthalia cautioned about the valuations of renewable energy stocks, suggesting they might be overheated. He recommended focusing on sectors like banking and pharmaceuticals. Sandeep Sabharwal expressed optimism about Bharti Airtel's growth prospects. He also suggested exploring opportunities in brokerage stocks. Sunil Kool emphasized that the return of foreign institutional investors to the Indian market hinges on an improvement in global sentiment. Factors such as geopolitical tensions and concerns about global economic growth are currently weighing on investor confidence. A more stable global environment would encourage FIIs to increase their exposure to emerging markets like India. Bharti Airtel witnessed a surge in its stock price, driven by positive analyst commentary and strong quarterly results. The company's focus on expanding its 5G network and increasing its subscriber base has instilled confidence among investors. ITC experienced a decline in its stock price due to concerns about regulatory changes and taxation on its cigarette business. Investors are closely monitoring the company's performance in other segments, such as FMCG and hotels. Life Insurance Corporation of India reported a mixed set of numbers, with profit impacted by market volatility but premium income showing resilience. Aurobindo Pharma posted strong earnings driven by robust sales in key markets like the US and Europe. Market data suggests a build-up of long positions in Bharti Airtel and Indus Towers. Conversely, ITC and Delhivery witnessed a build-up of short positions. These market trends provide valuable insights into investor sentiment and potential price movements. The primary market continued to buzz with activity as several companies sought to raise capital through initial public offerings, or IPOs. Amwell Healthcare saw its IPO subscribed 1.68 times on the third day of bidding. The company plans to utilize the proceeds for expansion and debt reduction. Ken Enterprises witnessed strong demand for its IPO, with the offering getting subscribed 2.5 times on the second day. The company's robust business model and growth plans have resonated with investors. Elegance Interiors launched its IPO today, aiming to capitalize on the booming real estate and infrastructure development sectors. The company's strong brand reputation and track record are expected to attract investor interest. The IPO market continues to provide an avenue for companies to raise funds and for investors to participate in the growth stories of promising businesses. The performance of these IPOs in the coming days will provide valuable insights into investor appetite and market sentiment. Factors such as company fundamentals, market conditions, and overall investor confidence will play a crucial role in determining the success of these offerings. Navigating the complexities of the stock market requires a sound understanding of trading strategies and technical analysis. Technical analysis involves studying historical price and volume data to identify patterns and trends. Traders use various technical indicators, such as moving averages, oscillators, and chart patterns, to make informed trading decisions. One popular trading strategy is trend following, where traders aim to capitalize on established trends. Another common approach is mean reversion, where traders identify overbought or oversold conditions and bet on a reversal. Risk management is paramount in trading, and traders employ various techniques to protect their capital. Stop-loss orders automatically sell a stock when it reaches a predetermined price, limiting potential losses. Position sizing involves determining the appropriate amount of capital to allocate to a particular trade. Diversification across different stocks, sectors, and asset classes can mitigate overall portfolio risk. Thorough research, disciplined execution, and effective risk management are crucial for success in trading. The cryptocurrency market, known for its volatility and innovation, continues to grab headlines. Meme coins, inspired by internet memes, have gained significant traction, driven by social media hype and speculative trading. While some investors view meme coins as a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, others caution against their speculative nature. Regulatory scrutiny of the cryptocurrency market is intensifying globally. Concerns about money laundering, market manipulation, and investor protection have prompted calls for stricter regulations. Despite the regulatory uncertainties, institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies is on the rise. Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, has emerged as a platform for decentralized applications. The cryptocurrency market remains a dynamic and evolving space, presenting both opportunities and risks for investors. Thorough research, a sound understanding of the underlying technology, and careful risk management are essential for navigating this rapidly changing landscape. Investor sentiment in the Indian stock market reflects a mix of caution and optimism. The recent market volatility has prompted investors to adopt a more cautious approach. Concerns about inflation, interest rate hikes, and geopolitical tensions continue to weigh on market sentiment. Despite the prevailing uncertainties, several factors contribute to a sense of optimism among investors. The Indian economy remains resilient, driven by strong domestic demand and a robust services sector. Government initiatives aimed at boosting infrastructure development and promoting manufacturing are expected to drive long-term economic growth. The ongoing digital transformation across industries presents significant opportunities for investors. The recent earnings season has provided a mixed bag of results, with some companies exceeding expectations, while others grapple with challenges. Sectors such as information technology, pharmaceuticals, and consumer durables continue to attract investor interest. The performance of global markets also influences investor sentiment in India. Looking ahead, the Indian stock market is expected to remain volatile in the near term. The trajectory of inflation, interest rates, and corporate earnings will be crucial in shaping market sentiment. Investors will closely monitor geopolitical developments, particularly the ongoing conflict in Eastern Europe. Despite the short-term uncertainties, the long-term outlook for the Indian stock market remains positive. The country's strong economic fundamentals, favorable demographics, and ongoing structural reforms provide a solid foundation for sustainable growth. Sectors such as infrastructure, technology, and healthcare are expected to benefit from these trends. Investors are advised to maintain a disciplined approach, focusing on long-term investment goals. Diversification across different asset classes, sectors, and market capitalizations can help mitigate risk. Thorough research, sound financial planning, and regular portfolio monitoring are essential for navigating the complexities of the stock market.